Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 27 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week at SMS this week. We had several after school crafting activities, and we had several students who are working together to record their BPI videos. So, kudos to students who are hardworking on that and got those accomplished this week. We have another busy week coming up this week at SMS. On Monday, we have new teacher induction at Ewing Elementary School. There's also going to be report cards coming home this week. As you can see, teachers, that grades do need to be posted on Monday by 3. On Tuesday, we want to wish a happy birthday to Mrs. High. There is also a board meeting at Central Office on Tuesday night at 6:30. Teachers, we have a vertical team meeting on Tuesday after school as well. And volleyball is going to go against Augusta, and that game starts at 6. Volleyball also plays Wednesday at home versus Nicholas County. And we have the math cohort meeting on Wednesday. There is nothing scheduled so far this week for Thursday, but as always, Friday is Bring It Friday. Parents, you can also see that we still have the Ask the Principal link. It is in the connection if you have a question, or if you would like to shout out to a teacher or just drop a comment about SMS, then please use that link to do so. This week we have a very special student spotlight. We want to recognize 7th grade student Leah Howard. She's a Red Jaguar team member. She loves to play the game of basketball. In addition to playing for the middle school Lady Cougars in the fall, she also participated in freshman, JV, and varsity girls basketball for the high school. She always has a great big smile on her face, and she tries to include others. On the court, you can watch Leah and tell that she is having fun with her through her body language and her interaction with her teammates. Leah is actually moving from SMS. We are going to miss her so much. Her and her family are moving to Winchester as her dad is taking another job. And we just want to wish her the best as she starts in her new school. And we will continue to follow her success on the basketball courts. But Leah, your smile is contagious. SMS is going to miss you so much. You're such a great kid. And we wish you all the best. And thank you for letting us be a part of your journey. I have really enjoyed getting to know you this year and seeing the amazing things that you have done, not only on the court, but also in the classroom. So good luck, Leah. We love you and we will miss you at SMS. This week, we would like to take a moment and recognize our Achieve 3000 leaderboard. Our top score on Monday was Hanley High. Tuesday, Abigail Smithers. Wednesday, Emma Adams. Thursday, Bailey Hunt. Friday, Sydney Duncan. Our weekly top scorer was Emma Adams, and the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first trial was Abigail Smithers with 10 and Emma Adams with 12. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.